Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to keep your financial data safe on Bright. Want to make sure that your financial data stays secure while using Bright? Here's what you need to do. First, always keep your app updated. Bright regularly rolls out security patches and updates ensures that you're protected from the latest threats. Next, enable biometric authentication like Face ID or fingerprint unlock. It adds an extra layer of protection every time you access the app. You can also use a strong, unique password, sometimes not something not used on any other platform, and you also want to avoid using personal details like birthdays or names. You should also review your connected devices regularly. Go to Settings, Security and Privacy, Linked Devices, and then you're going to remove any that you don't recognize. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Bright will never ask for your passwords via email or text. If you see something suspicious, report it immediately in the app. Finally, enable real-time notifications so that you're alerted to any account activities right away. Taking these steps helps to make sure that your data and your money stays protected. Like, share, and subscribe for more smart, secure ways to get the most out of Bright. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.